Hi everyone, as the holidays come to an end and we get back to our normal lives. And then there are some things in your refrigerator that you may not know what to do with. So I'm going to share with you what I do in my kitchen after the holidays. First of all, I make a big old pot of rice. Then I make a big old pan of cornbread. And then I open my refrigerator door and I look in there to see what did I use during the holidays that would make a delicious pot of soup. You may have had turkey, you may have had ham, you may have had prime rib, you may have even had some rabbit or some possums or some coons, and the meat was left over. Now remember that we need to parboil our meat. So we've already done that because we had this delicious meat on our table. So we take our meat, we chop it up, and we boil it, and we season it again. Then we look in there and we find some carrots and some spinach and some bell peppers, red, yellow, green. We find some corn that we had left over and some okra and some spinach. Then we look over and we see that we have some potatoes. And when the meat is tender enough and done and flavored enough, we begin to drop our carrots and our spinach, red onions, potatoes, all in there and make a very healthy pot of soup. And it'll be on my table for Wednesday with a conversation with Miss Frances C. And oh, by the way, in the freezer there was some buttermilk pies left and some apple pies left. So they'll also be on my table with a conversation with Miss Frances C. for Wednesday. And the recipe for my delicious winter soup will be in the description. My cornbread recipe. Oh, everybody knows how to cook regular rice, but just in case you don't, I'll show you how I cook mine. They come out very flaky. But always remember, when you cook the leftovers, cook them with love and watch what'll happen. See you on Wednesday with a conversation with Miss Frances C. Take care.